regular size marshmallows, okay?
Full size marshmallow.
This is melted white chocolate. You're just gonna dip in there.
Roll around the
roll
marshmallow
it.
in the melted chocolate.
Yeah, roll it out. It's
Okay.
better if you have a spatula, okay? But over here, we're just getting messy and dirty, which is okay.
It's fine. Okay.
Completely fine. Pull it out, and then you're gonna roll it in coconut flakes.
Coconuts.
But you wanna leave one flat side without coconuts.
You should have told me that first, Camilla.
Hey, I'm going through the instructions.
Okay, okay.
And then over here, I have chocolate cookies, okay?
Oh,
And
the
you're
little
gonna-
like Thin Mints, like the Girl Scouty kind of
Yes,
ones.
exactly. And you're gonna put the
Little
side that
mint
does not
chocolate
have,
cookies, right.
does not have coconut. You're gonna put it in the cookie, and you're just gonna let it sit for like a minute, just so it glues
I'm gonna get us a
together,
towel.
okay?
Okay.
Glues together. So then what do you wanna do? The ones that are already set,
Right.
all right, you wanna get a little toothpick.
Here.
Now my fingers are great.
Yeah, there you go. Take a toothpick.
Yes, make little holes right here
Make little holes.
for the eyes, right there, on the other one too.
Yeah.
And then for the nose,
Yeah.
right there for the nose.
A nose hole.
Yes,
Gotcha.
we want a nose hole. And what do you want to do? You're gonna get a, a good-looking
Cashew nut.
a
Yep.
good-looking one, and stick it in there for the nose.
Okay.
Okay, and a little food decorating right there to make
Little
the eyes.
icing.
Little
It's
icing.
an eagle.
It's a bald eagle marshmallow. And you can use clothes
so
for the
cute.
eyes. He's so adorable.
He's
right?
so